Hbar's massive breakout continues to be on fire, and at the time of this recording, Hbar has now managed to break above resistance at the 0.0689, flipping it back into support. We have also continued to hold above support on the 20-day MA, and in the next coming hours I'm watching for a break above the next key area of resistance above the 0.0744. And on today's video I will be discussing an Elliot wave structure that is playing out here on the Hbar's chart, and also give you my breakout target areas, so make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And for those of you that might want to take some trades, you can check out Byit, which is giving you up to $20 in sign-up bonuses and up to $30,000 in deposit bonuses. And I have a link down in the description box. And getting back to the charts and starting the video by first giving you a recap, Hbar on the 5th of July gave us a massive breakdown move, in a move that gave us a low below the 0.0586, and afterwards we saw a very nice bounce to the upside in a move that gave us a high above the 0.0794, and that move to the upside has been obeying the Elliot wave structures in what we can term as an Elliot wave count 1 to the upside. So we can have these as an Elliot wave count 1, and after we picked in that Elliot wave count 1, whatever we expect next is a corrective structure in an Elliot wave count 2. So here we have a wave 1, then this is an Elliot wave count 2, and after we bottom out in this Elliot wave count 2, whatever we expect next is the start of an impulsive wave in an Elliot wave count 3 before we can expect a wave 4 and then a wave 5. And to just show you that the second wave has done the minimum that we expect a second wave to do, I will be connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of that Elliot wave count 1, giving me a minimum target area for the second wave between the Fib level 0.5 and the Fib level 0.618, which perfectly lies between the 0.0691 and the 0.0666. And at some point we had lost the Fib level 0.618, but the Fib level 0.78 continued to hold. And since we have fully maximized the minimum target area for the second wave, that now increases the likelihood that we could have seen the bottom for these Elliot wave counts 2, and whatever is playing out at the moment is the start of an impulsive wave in this Elliot wave count 3. And the minimum target areas for the third wave can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that Elliot wave count 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave at the Fib level 1.618, which perfectly lies above the 0.0971. And once you have a high in that Elliot wave count 3, we can expect a wave 4 and then continue gearing up even higher in that Elliot wave count 5. And before all that plays out, we first need to see a break above significant key areas of resistances. And the first key area of resistance to break above lies above the 0.074. So the moment you manage to break above that with a retest, then we also need to see a break above the high for this Elliot wave count 1, which perfectly lies above the 0.0794. The moment you manage to break above those two significant areas, then expect total lift off here on the Hbar chart, taking us back above the 0.0972. So that is the price action that I'm expecting, and in case of any rejections or maybe a sudden pullback, then we need to pay attention to this red target area over here, because that area should act as support, and this area perfectly lies between the 0.068, the 0.0691 and the 0.0633. So continue paying attention to this area also. And that's all for this video, and I hope to catch you on the next one.